Hello everyone, this is Kavita here. Today we will learn squaring of numbers from 11 to 19. So what is squaring? If the number is multiplied by itself, it is called square of that number. For example, 9 times 9, 11 times 11, 14 times 14. So let's see what method of Vedic math we use here to square the numbers from 11 to 19. First example, 11 times 11 or 11 square. So that's how you write the square. So here we get our answer in two parts, right hand side RHS and left hand side LHS. So let's see what we do at LHS. So LHS, what you do is you add the number with the unit digit of the number. So here number is 11. 11 plus what digit is at the unit place? 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. So you get your LHS. What you do at RHS, that you square the unit digit. Here unit digit is 1. So square means 1 times 1 is 1. So that's how you get your RHS. Now you combine your LHS and your RHS to get the final answer 121. One very important thing you have to note that in RHS can have only one digit as the base is 10. Alright, so we have to make sure, so when we are squaring the numbers from 11 to 19, our RHS should have only one digit. So we'll take one more example where we see when we get double digits, when we get two digits at RHS. So next example is 14 times 14 or 14 square. So what you do, again you get your answer in two parts, RHS and LHS. So in LHS what you do, number plus the number at the digit at the unit place. So what is the number? Number is 14. 14 plus the number at the unit place. So the number at the unit place is 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. Alright. Now let's go to RHS. What you do in RHS? You just square the unit digit. So unit digit is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Now RHS can have only one digit. So from 16, 1 is being transferred to 18. Alright, and then 18 plus 1 is 19, and then 6 is at your, only one digit is left here at RHS. So combine your LHS and RHS to get the final answer 196. One more example, 19 times 19 or 19 square. So again you get your answer in two parts, LHS and RHS. So what you do at LHS is you add the number with the unit digit of the number. Number is 19 plus what digit is at the unit place? 9. 19 plus 9 is 28. RHS, what you do, you square unit digit. So what digit is at the unit place here is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So again RHS can have only one digit. So here we have two digits, 81. So 8 we are going to transfer it to 28 to LHS side. So 28 plus 8 you get 36, and you bring your RHS here and LHS and get the final answer 361. So I have 6 problems for you to practice. You just practice and you can check your answers here. Thank you. Squaring of numbers ending with digit 5. For example, 25. 25 ends with the digit 5. 65 ends with the digit 5. 105 ends with the digit 5. So let's see what method of Vedic math we use here to square the numbers ending in 5. 25 times 25. So here again we get our answer in two parts, left hand side and right hand side. So how you get left hand side is like the digit prior to unit digit is multiplied with the next natural number. So what digit is at the is prior to the unit digit? It is 2. So 2 times what comes after 2 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So that's how you get your LHS. In RHS, simply what you do, you just square the digit of the unit place. So what digit is at the unit place is 5. 5 times 5, 25. So bring your LHS and RHS to get the final answer, 625. One more example. 95 square or 95 times 95. So what you do at LHS is the digit prior to the unit digit. So here what digit is prior to unit digit is 9. So 9 is multiplied. What comes after 9 is 10. So 9 times 10 is 90. And RHS, what you do, you square the digits at the unit place. So here unit place digit is 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So combine your LHS and RHS to get the final answer, 9025. One more example, 105 square. Now in 105 square, what you do is, like, what digit is prior to unit digit? Here 10. 10 is the digit prior to the unit digit 5. So in LHS, what you do, the digit prior to the unit digit is multiplied with next natural number. So what comes after 10 is 11. So 10 times 11 is 110. What you do at RHS, you just square the unit digit number, 5 times 5, 25, and you combine your LHS and RHS to get the final answer, 11,025. So try to practice 6 problems and you can check your answers. I'll just go one problem here, like how you do the problem in your mind. So 65 times 65. Alright, so all these digits end up with digit 5. 65 ends with 5, another 65 ends with 5. So what you do? So what comes after 6 is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Alright, and the unit digit you square. 5 times 5, 25. 95 times 95. What comes after 9 is 10. 9 times 10 is 90. And then 5 times 5 is 25. So 9025 is your answer. You can do it in your head. 15 times 15. So what comes after 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 5 times 5 is 25. So that's how you just do all those problems in your mind. Thank you. Squaring of two-digit numbers using formula method. So if we have to find the square of any two-digit number starting from 11 to 99, we can use this method. For example, 77 times 77, 53 times 53, 48 times 48. So let's see what method of Vedic math we use here to square any two-digit number using formula. 27 times 27. So here first step what you do is you just consider the unit digit as B and tens digit as A. Alright, and then what you do is you write the formula A square 2AB B square. So we are not putting any plus sign here, we are just putting a slash here. And then start from the right and substitute the values. So what is B here? B is 7. So 7 square, 7 times 7. 2 times A times B. So 2 times A, our A is here 2. So 2 times 2 and B is 7. So you write 2 times 7. And then to the left is what is A square. Our A is 2. So 2 times 2. Again start from the right. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 2 is 28. 2 times 2 is 4. So what we do is, again from right hand side, what we do, we drop the unit digit in our answer place and rest of the digits are carried forward to the next column. So in 49, 9 is in our answer box and 4 is being transferred to the next column, 28. So 28 plus 4 is 32. Again 32, what we do, we drop the unit digit 2 in the answer box and 3 is carried forward to the next column, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So you get your answer 729. We will take one more example. Here we take an example of 3-digit number. How do we find square of 3-digit number? 122 times 122. So the first step is you write down 122 square and you name the unit digit 2 as a B and 12 you will take it as a A. And then you write A square 2AB B square by putting slash in between. Start from right and substitute the values. So here B is our 2. So in place of B you substitute 2 and A here we are taking 12. So put the value of A as 12 and then when after substituting the values you get 144, 48 and 4. So again in 4 is a single digit, so drop 4 in the answer box. In 48, 8 you drop in the answer box and 4 is carried forward to the next number 144. So 144 plus 4 is 148. So the square of 122 is 14,884. Let us take another example, 42 times 42. Again, in 42, we just consider unit digit as a B and tens digit as A. Then write the formula. So A square 2AB and B square. Start from right and substitute the values. B is 2, so B square 2 times 2. Next is 2AB, 2 times A times B. A is our 4 and B is 2. 2 times 4 times 2. And to the left is A square. A is our 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Again from right hand side, you just write down 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 times 2 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. And then on the right hand side, there is only one digit, single digit. So we drop it in our answer box. And next column is 16. So in 16, 6 we drop in our answer box and 1 is carried to the next column. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So you get your answer 1764. So this was the formula based method to find square of any 2-digit numbers. So here I have 8 problems for you to practice. So just practice and see if you get the answer. And answers are here. You can check the answers later. Thank you.